Imagine this is our glass plane, and a ray of light strikes this glass plane. Now, in this case, because of the changed densities from one transparent medium into another, we have this bending of light phenomena. In this case, the different mediums are air and glass. In this case, air is our incident medium, while glass is our refractive medium. When light travels from an object to your eyes, it refracts as it passes through the medium. This is known as the actual depth, which is the real depth of the object that is submerged in a transparent medium. As for our refractive case, it's similar because it appears to be at a different depth than it actually is. Now, the apparent depth is the depth at which the object appears to be viewed from the surface of a specific medium. Now, the apparent depth is always shallower than the real depth, and that is because of the refraction of light, which is a specific optical illusion. Light refracts because it changes speeds from one transition of a medium to another, and these have different optical densities. For example, as it travels from a less dense object, in this case we have air, to a more denser object like water. Now, this causes this light to slow down and bend toward the normal line. Now, the normal is an imaginary line perpendicular to the surface of the boundary. Controversially, when it goes from a denser medium to a less denser one, it speeds up and bends away from the normal line. Now, the refractive medium, also known as the index of refraction, is how much a specific medium can refract or bend light. Now, it is denoted by the symbol n and is defined as the ratio of speed of light in a vacuum, which is c, to the speed of light in the given medium, which is v. Mathematically, it is expressed as n is equal to v divided by c. Different materials have different refractive indices. For example, the refractive index of air is close to 1, while the refractive index of water is approximately 1.33. The refractive index plays a crucial role in determining the degree of refraction when light passes through a boundary between two mediums.